lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we bring you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today's video is something that came out actually super happy in my opinion. I was a little bit concerned because me and cut creases are very new to each other, but I had a lot of fun with this. I love purple, we all know that, so I definitely was so keen to do a purple pastel cut crease for you guys today. And the main reason for that was this little guy over here. This is the NYX Sprinkle Town palette, and it is the Strawberry Whip palette. These colors are so beautiful and so different for me. I do like colors, but it's got like a bluish purple, a bright pink, like a duochrome purple, and a silver. And the difference with this formula as opposed to usual glitters is that it actually feels more like a cream based glitter, and when you put it on your skin it seems to dry down. I'll show you it here. So I wanted to test this bad boy out today, and I think I used it in a rather interesting way. So if you want to see how I created this little cut crease moment for you guys, then keep on watching. So to create this cut crease look, I used the Norvina palette, and that created the base for most of my eyeshadow and my eye look today. So in the crease I went in with the shade Soul, and I placed that in my crease and just above, and I blended it out quite high until it was almost touching my eyebrows, and I really packed on the color so that I could get a lot of pigment through that area. Okay, after that I then went in with my Makeup Revolution concealer and I cut my crease. And what I learned from today is that if you have a really deep set eye, because my bone protrudes a lot, I actually cut my crease above the bone so that you can really see the eyelid space, and so that it pops out and you can actually see your crease, because we already have a quite defined crease if you have a deep set eye. I used the shade Wild Child all over my lid, and I just packed that in using a small brush to define the crease area. Following that I went in with the shade Soul again, and I did that as my eyeliner on my eyelid, and I created a wing to mimic the line from the crease above. Then I went back into shade Wild Child and I just created the space between the crease and the wing liner below, and I just gave it its own moment. And then to really define the crease and give it a proper cut crease moment, I used the shade Drama with a tiny pencil brush, and I just defined the crease and blended it out with the shade Soul and a fluffy brush. And then the piece de la resistance, the creme de la creme moment. I then used NYX Glitter Glue Primer, and I used this to create the base to apply my glitter with. And I used it with a little pencil brush, and I just mapped out the shape of my wing liner. After that I packed on the silver shimmery glitter, creamy, just wonderful shade on the outer corner of my wing. And following that I used the light purple shade for the inner portion of my eyeliner, and then I went back into the silver shade and just blended the two colors together. For my lower lash line I simply used the shade Soul, and I just smoked out the lower lash line and I blended it just below the silver wing liner. For highlight today I wanted to mimic the purple and pink shades that I've got on my lid, so I went into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the Sugar Kit, and I used the shade Gumdrop and Starburst. And Gumdrop really gave me a nice little pinky celestial moment. Okay, for lips I really wanted to just build on the nice pastel pinks that we have going on here, so I used the Catrice Luminous Lips in the shade Dress Code Nude. So after I applied the Catrice lipstick, I then applied the NYX Lingerie Shimmer Clear Gloss on top of that, just to give it a little bit more of a shimmer and to tie in with the color that I have on me eyelid. on my eyelid. Cannot talk today as usual. For mascara, I use the Mascara Revolution by Makeup Revolution, and I chose to opt for mascara rather than falsies, just to give my eyelid and this cut crease its own little space to shine. Okay, carrying on with the Makeup Revolution theme, I used the Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray Setting Spray. Wow, that was a lot of words. That is how I got my pastel cut crease eye look today, using all those steps. If you just take your time and you go back and forth between your crease color and your eyelid color, then you should be just fine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel over here, leave a comment below and any suggestions of future looks that you'd like to see, and let us know if you've tried the products out that we tried today and if you also think they're tops.